SnipeGoat, baby. Welcome. So we're gonna dive straight in. You know what I mean? Another week down, another week to go. Here we are. You know what I mean? Monthly time frame. We start here to get the narrative of higher time frame price action, and with our weekly top-down analysis. You know, this is starting here is just to keep your mind intact on the bigger picture, understanding the bigger picture, perspective will, clear up all the clutter that you will see and encounter on the time frames below. You know what I mean? Well, enough of that. We're going to dive straight in, get through this, nice and quick. We get swing to swing, right? This is the move. This bullish expansion here is where these take profit levels come from. Take profit level 1, 2, 3, and 4 comes from this swing to swing here. This bearish price action here is the retracement, and now price is encountering the bullish continuation coming into these take profit levels that can cause another swing point. But until then, price is bullish here on the monthly time frame. Price is encountering this bullish expansion. Price has come into take profit level 1, came close, but price hasn't come into take profit 2 yet. Price has encountered take profit level 1. Understanding when price come into take profit levels, you will get a reaction in the market because money is coming out of the market. Liquidity is what pushes the market. I know a lot of people say fear and greed. Liquidity is what pushed this market. And understanding that institutions is what has the money to push the market in a certain way. And institutions has a certain way of trading. And we know that way. You know what I mean? And then on top of my positional trading or trader, positional trader perspective, masterpiece. But again, okay, so price is encountering this bullish expansion. Price has encountered take profit level 1, and this is the reaction from encountering this take profit level 1. And now that price encountered this take profit level, what type of price action is price encountering? Since coming into this take profit level, is price retracing after coming into this take profit level, or is price reversing after coming into this take profit level? To determine what price is doing inside of this monthly time frame price action, we scale down to the weekly to determine what price is doing right now. So price, as you can see, broke and closed above these monthly equal highs here, and we know what equals can be used as. If you don't know, you can chime into my last previous video. You know what I mean? I'll say it now. We know equals can be used as breakthrough retest levels, and equals can be used as the catalyst to produce a impulsive move. Impulsive move being a continuation of a retracement or a continuation of a expansion, move. And price can use equals as the catalyst to encounter a reversal. You know know what I mean? So price use equals as breakthrough retest levels, and price can use equals as the catalyst to encounter a continuation or a reversal. You know what I mean? Because it can cause a impulsive move. So knowing that, understanding what price has done here on the monthly time frame, what did price do? You know what I mean? So understanding what price did, broken closed above these equal highs coming into take profit level one. We know we're going to encounter a reaction. What type of reaction did we encounter coming into take profit level one? We scale down to the weekly to determine what is price doing right now. So with that being said, scale down to the weekly time frame. We really want to focus on the most recent swing because we know what holds structure. You feel me? So swing to swing is what price has encountered and what price is doing right now on the weekly time frame. Since price established these swing points, price has given us this corrective price action here. In this corrective price action, price produced equal highs and equal lows. We know order of operations: bullish impulsive move, followed by corrective price action. If that corrective price action is a ranging market, creating equal highs and equal lows. Look right here, creating equal highs and equal lows. We want to see the equal lows be targeted first with a reversal, bullish counter pattern. So bullish engulfing here and targeting the highs, encountering and producing another bullish expansion. Price establishing creating equal highs and equal lows. We will want to see price target the equal lows first to produce a bullish expansion to the upside. Right? Now we see that price targeted the equal highs first, which can put us in the mindset to anticipate price to give that reversal, targeting the lows. Based on the price action that we are encountering and seeing here on the weekly time frame, that can be the anticipation move based on what price has done. Also, remember, price broke and closed above those monthly equal highs, and since price came into these monthly equal highs, we produced this tweezer bottom after producing this bearish engulfing, which caused the swing point. You know what I mean? Swing to swing was caused by this bearish engulfing. Price encountered this bearish engulfing coming into these equal monthly highs, retesting. The retest caused price to create this tweezer bottom. Since price created this tweezer bottom, we see price push up above these highs, which can still be a bullish price action. Just we know the order of operation deal in price action, but with price coming down and retesting these equal monthly highs, we know what can be produced because of that. So now our thing is, what is price doing right now inside of this weekly price action to give us the understanding? Mouth dry as the understanding of what price is doing right now structurally. So we understand that price produced this tweezer bottom after encountering these monthly equal highs. And now, what is price doing right now inside of this price action that is inside of this tweezer bottom? We have the um, open of this tweezer bottom identified, and inside of this tweezer bottom that price is in now. Also, price is, you can say, inside of this bearish engulfing, But okay, now you could say price is inside of this bearish engulfing, but we're just reading price action, understanding. We know, most recent candles patterns. Uh, again, this can all still be, in fact, a reversal. With price creating these equal highs and equal lows, and price targeting the equal highs first, price can very well, like I say, come down and target the lows. And then even then, if price don't come down, if price do come down and it don't violate the weekly structure, we can see another ranging market or whatever the case may be to encounter a continuation at that point. But right now, what is price doing right now? To determine what price is doing inside of this price action, we scale down to the daily. So on the daily, inside of that weekly retracement, structurally on the daily, we see what price is doing right now. So structurally, after coming into this, after coming into these equal monthly highs, remember price created that tweezer bottom on the weekly time frame. Since then, price created and established a daily bearish breaker structure with this bullish move here, right? We encounter a daily bearish breaker structure, which can, which in fact means that the daily time frame is bullish. So since the tweezer bottom was created here, we on the daily time frame, price produced this swing to swing. Price retraced with this bearish engulfing here that was created. In that retracement, price came down and retested this low that was taken and reversed. Um, on with this daily bullish engulfing after encountering the monthly equal highs. So you can call this level a manipulation level. Price came back down to that, retested it, and got this bullish push here. Now this is just one move right here, and in this move we encountered this breaker structure here. Right now, since we see that price is currently, remember, most recent swing, price uh, established this swing to swing. We are encountering this retracement based on price action. We have my daily snipe zone here. You feel me? We got daily structure level here, and then we also have the open of that weekly tweezer bottom right here inside of this daily snipe zone at daily structure that can cause price to encounter the continuation. You know what I mean? So understanding take profit levels for this daily move. Now, so as we see in what price is doing on the daily time frame inside of the weekly time frame price action that's inside of that monthly time frame price action, we see what price is doing right now structurally. Our job, we know that on the weekly time frame price is encountering this retracement. Our job is to read that retracement. Now, can price come down and break structure? Yeah, but we are reading price action. Now that price is down here at this significant level where we can anticipate price to give a continuation, or if price is going to break structure, we are here. You know what I mean? And our job is to read the price action to understand, read the price action at these levels to understand what price is doing or going to do next. So now we go to the 12-hour to determine what price is doing right now inside of that daily time frame price action. You know what I mean? So as we can see on the 12-hour inside of that daily time frame, we see what price is doing. We encountered this 12-hour bullish breaker structure with this move here to the downside after coming into those highs. We see what price has produced. You know what I mean? Swing to swing, price breaking 12-hour structure, bullish structure, uh, swing to swing. Then price produced this retracement, creating equal highs and equal lows on the 12-hour. Price pushed up above those equal highs, reversing with this tweezer top, coming down into take profit level 1 and haven't come into take profit level 2. But these take profit levels, we know money is coming out of the market, right? We see these take profit levels are inside of this daily snipe zone, inside of that weekly tweezer bottom. As you can see, the open is there, that we can anticipate that continuation to the upside from. You know what I mean? So price has encountered this swing to swing, then this retracement here, and then also even inside of this impulsive move to the downside, price encountered this internal price action with this swing to swing that showed, that solidified this retracement over the weekend, equal highs and equal lows. Price pushed up above and now encountering this continuation from this swing to swing move here, retrace, continuation into these take profit levels and into that daily snipe zone, right? So now we're just reading price action, 4 more hours into the close of this first half of the day, which then will make this 12-hour structure, right? This then will be 12-hour structure, which can be easily accessible to produce a breakaway reversal and a 12-hour breaker structure to the upside to encounter another daily bullish continuation that will continue that weekly continuation, that will continue that monthly bullish continuation. But again, we're going to read price action at these levels to determine what price is going to do, and understanding market structure and price action, we have an edge of understanding the um, direction of the market. Understanding price action, we understand um, the direction of the market because, order of operations, we know price moves in impulsive and corrective moves, or impulsive and corrective price actions. And with understanding that price moves in a impulsive and corrective way, we know how to determine the direction of the market, you know. So that's how we looking at it. Yeah, we can scale down to the my handy dandy 90-minute to see what price is doing down here at this level right now. You know what I mean? And this is what we saying. Price has boom, equal highs, equal lows. Price pierced those lows. We're just reading price action. You know, we know price is in these take profit levels. We know price can come down here to retest that weekly tweezer bottom and even lower. You know what I mean? But you heard it here first, baby. SnipeGoat, the candle reading guru. Somebody go to your favorite trader's favorite trader.